Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can add some caption to our table. Okay, so as you can see, we are having this particular table here and we have the heading of tables. So what I can do, I can add a paragraph and say something like mark sheet. Okay, something like that. All right. Hit save. Now, as you can see, our table has some sort of a connection to this mark sheet, but it is visual connection, right? We can see that. But the person who is using a screen reader, it will make no sense for them, right? So if we want to create a proper caption, then we want to use some different method. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one. Okay, all right, and go to the browser here, and here we are having the caption HTML element or the table caption element. Okay, so the caption HTML element specifies the caption or title of a table, providing the table an accessible name or accessible description. And as you can see, this is how we can use that. This caption element should go just after the table element. Okay, this should be the first element inside of the table. And as you can see, here is the caption. But inside of the CSS, as you can see, we can change everything about the caption basically, right? So let's add a caption in our particular table. Okay, all right. So let's go to the code editor, and just after this table opening tag, I will add the caption. Okay, hit enter. And inside of that, I will say something like student mark sheet. All right, if I just save that and go to my browser, as you can see, we are having the student mark sheet here. Okay, so this is the caption for the table. Now, once again, as you can see, we can change up that by the CSS. So if we want to change the position of that particular caption, what we can do inside of the CSS, we can do something like caption side. So let's do that. Let's see that in action. So I'll just add the style attribute temporarily. Okay, caption side, and I will just add it to bottom. Okay, all right. If I just do that, as you can see, the caption is now at the bottom. All right, but I will just get rid of that. So this is basically the caption inside of the table. So in that way, we can create an accessible title or accessible description for our table by using the caption element in HTML.